to my channel. Merry Christmas. Today is Christmas Day and I'm full of colors, and I'm going to do a video shoot that I've just I've just designed it in my head. I have it in my head and I'm going to try to bring the vision alive, So yeah, and I braided my hair, but I couldn't film it because I was sad and I didn't want to bring negative attitude, bad energy to my channel. But hi, here we are. I got this from an Instagram page, but I can't recommend it because the customer service is very poor. But for now, I'm so happy. So I'm trying to do this video shoot. I'm giving my sister that job. I don't know if she'll be so cooperative to bring it alive. People hate instructions. But yeah, we're just gonna try. Then we come back and cook and eat, and the Christmas is over. I'm just going to a random place that we will see. There is a certain forest here in the village that I really love. It's so pretty. It looks like a park. So I'm gonna try to do a video shoot there. The way vixens behave. Yeah, I'm just trying to behave that way. And slashed. Yo, so I'll see you there, okay? Mwah. Guys, this is the place. It's just a forest. I actually forgot to take a video for YouTube because majority my aim was to do it for Instagram. So you can check the full video on my Instagram IGTV videos. I kinda enjoyed this, to be honest. I don't know, I just loved it. I had it in my head and I tried to put it in place, and my dream came out alive. Wow, thank God. So I chose this outfit because it's what I had, and kwa ground vitu ni different. I found it at first hard walking on those hills, but I got used to it because I don't wear them so often. So it's like you go back to square zero and just start afresh when you're starting again to walk on hills. But I tried, I loved it, and I carried a bunch of people to help me. I carried my two little cousins and my sister. My sister never learned anything and she was my purpose to make this video, but she didn't help. So I did it alone and kind of tried to instruct my younger cousin, and he did it. Actually, I'm so proud of him. He really tried, and I hope next time will be better. Better videographer, better places, better editing. Amen. Yeah, I'm just kind of saying, and may God open more and more opportunities. If you want to see the full video, please, it will be on my Instagram IGTV videos, just one of them. I used Rayvanny's song I Love You because I loved it. Wow, I really loved that song, I Love You by Vanny Boy. So I used it, and because I love his music, anywho, I love his work. So I really hope you enjoyed this video. It was just a short, something short. I enjoyed it, and I love you people. Thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed it. And so bye. Tell me what you love, if you think I can do vixen, because I kind of enjoy seeing people doing that, and I know how much work is kept on that. But find something to comment, and I'll see you on my next one. Bye bye. Bye friends.